In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an ElevenLabs API for Python, which is a crucial tool for integrating the powerful functionalities of ElevenLabs into your projects. First, if you haven't already signed up for ElevenLabs, I highly recommend doing so through our affiliate link available in the description below. This link provides you with an easy path to get started while also supporting our channel. Once you're set up and logged into your ElevenLabs account, the next step is to navigate to your ElevenLabs dashboard. You can find this by logging in and looking towards the bottom left corner of your screen. There, you'll see a menu option labeled Developers. Click on that. Immediately after clicking Developers, you'll find that there are several tabs presented to you. The one you're interested in for today's task is the API Keys tab. Clicking on this tab will take you to a section where any API keys you've created previously are listed. If you have already created some, they will be visible here, but if not, don't worry. We'll walk you through creating your very first one. Now, to create a new API key, you'll want to click the button that says Create Key. It's a simple process, but gives you a lot of control. After clicking, you'll be prompted to name your API key. Choose something descriptive that makes sense for your access needs or project. Once you've named it, there's an essential consideration to keep in mind: enabling the Restrict Key option. Restricting your key is an important step for security, as it prevents unauthorized use by limiting what the key is able to do. Moving on, you will see an option to set a credit limit. Applying a credit limit can be particularly useful if your projects have budget constraints or if you want to ensure that usage does not unintentionally exceed what you have planned for. It's like setting a budget to know how much you're spending without going overboard, which can be very handy in testing or smaller projects. You will also have the chance to select the specific features that your API key will have access to. This is crucial for defining the permissions so that the key can only be used the way you intend it to be. Once you've finished setting all these parameters to your satisfaction, proceed by clicking on the Create Key button again, and voila, your API key will be generated. After it's created, you can easily copy it to your clipboard. It's ready for you to paste into your Python projects, allowing seamless integration of ElevenLabs' remarkable capabilities. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created an ElevenLabs API key to use with your Python projects. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!